Stay together and enjoy the festival.
Yes, Teacher Laila! Wow! Pizza! And popcorn!
Remember, we look before we choose.
Look at the slush icy juice!
Great choice, Fatma. Always explore before deciding.
May I have a mango juice, please?
Of course.
Good manners make everything better. Wow, thank you! How much is it?
Just 2 KD.
Always ask the price first. Thank you! This is so fun!
Sharing joy makes the day special.